Hello, Ciro. I have very good news. I found the interactive workbook. If you still have the copy, it is the one that says Business Results Interactive Workbook. So, double click on it, and what you have to do is to go to this symbol, Start. When you double click on it, voila! You have the interactive workbook all for yourself. You have two options: interactive workbook or the business results online. Let's have a look at the interactive workbook and how it works. In this section here you have a sign that says that you must be logged in. It is not necessary to do anything strange, just click your name and you will be logged in. This is the login is for you to keep a record. Okay, so it has different tabs. The first one is exercises and tests, and as you can see here, it has a record of all the tests. Once you do one, it will be here done, for example, and the score. Then if you click on the unit, you can do different things like working with words, for example, or two possibilities of business communication, language. When you finish with this, what you do is to do the test. Okay, let's see how working with words work. Here, for example, you have a phrase, "Hi John, where are you from?" What you have to do is to complete it with the nationality. Yes, read the instructions. Complete it with the nationality. So, as here it is said USA, the nationality will be American, so you click it and then you can check your answers. If you click on check, you will see that it is incorrect because I made a mistake here. So you can say it, write it again and then check it, and it will mark as okay. Another thing, after you finish with the different exercises, with the working with words and language, etc., you can have the test. So in this case, you click on test and it has different options. For example, he is from, and you have to click on one of them. It is a multiple choice. So for example, if you chose Indian, yes, you click on that and you will hear that it is incorrect, and then you have the correct. Well, let's see the email. In the email you have different options, and you always have here on the right the possibility to select what you are going to what you are supposed to do in this unit. Okay, so for example, in this section, use the exercise to review, exercises and samples. Okay, and you can also make a copy. Now let's see one. You have two exercises and a sample email. In exercise 1, for example, what you have to do is complete the mail with the correct words, but you have to click and drag. Yes, for example, click and drag. Alright, and then you can also check the answer, which is incorrect, obviously, because it's thank you for your. You can also see the answers, yes, or try again. Then on the phrase bank, this is very interesting, because in the phrase bank what you can do is, just a second, What you can do is listen to the different expressions from the student's book, and also listen to new phrases, and what is more important, you can create your own personal phrase book. So if there is a phrase that you like or you find interesting or difficult, any phrase, you can create your personal phrase book. I'm going to show you how. Let's say this as regards meetings, you have different possibilities here. If, for example, you have arranging to meet or making decisions, agreeing, yes, whatever you choose, just click on it and you can listen to it.
Hello, Otto. Can we arrange a meeting?
Yes, that's no problem.
If you like this phrase, you can add it. If you click on add, you will see that you have a sign saying that this phrase is in your phrase book. The phrase book is here. Now, when you add a phrase, it automatically goes to the phrase book. I'm going to show you another one.
We need to meet about the finance report.
Yes, that's right.
And I'm going to add it. So, if you click now on your phrase book, you will see that here you have the two options. We can listen to it, we can listen to it again, and if you are okay with it, you have here the two phrases.
We need to meet about the finance report.
If you don't like it anymore, you can remove them. Okay. Another thing you can do is to copy whatever you want from the phrase book. Then the glossary, as it says here, you will have to read here. The glossary, it tells you what you have to do here. In this section, you can check the meaning of words and phrases from the student's book. It is from the student's book, okay? So you can check the meaning and phrases from the student's book. You can listen to the pronunciation of phrases, and you can add your own translations. Then you can also choose if you want to see the words and phrases or if you can hide them to practice. And you can also print everything. So let's see how it's done. It's another exercise. You have the word, for example,
Assistant.
You can listen to it and you can hide the word and try to remember from the definition, or you can show the word and hide the definition. You can also translate it. For example, you say the word
Assistant.
and you write your own translation. Then another thing you can do here is to see the word in an example. Yes, so you will see, for example, the word assistant, and it will be used in a sentence. My assistant will get us some coffee, for example. All right. Then finally, we have the audio. And as usual, you have to read what you have to do. In this case, in this section, you can listen to the audio from your student's book. Okay, so you can listen to the audio from your student's book, and you can read the scripts. This is also important. You can read the scripts while you listen. Here it tells you what you have to do. Yes, what you have to do is to click on the audio to begin and to choose an audio exercise. Okay, and here it tells you what to do to find the MP3 audio files. So what you have to do is to go to the folder where it says audio. Do you remember we have audio and data? Well, if you click on audio, you will find it. It is in the folder. If you click on this, you have, for example, the audio one, you have here the tape script, and you have to click on this to listen.
Unit 1. Audio 1.
Dahlia is Indian. Raquel is Brazil.
Okay, so this is all about the Business Results Elementary Workbook. I hope it has been helpful. And when you want to log out, you just click on exit here. Exit, and it asks you if you want to. So you click on yes and you leave. But you will always have it in your folder, in the folder that says Business Results Elementary Workbook. Okay, that's all for now. I hope it has been helpful. Bye bye.